Alright, we're going to test a couple of these switches. First one we're going to do is a kickstand test. You can follow this up, but anyway, it goes up here. It's your green clip, it's a green white wire. We've got it set to ohms. The bike does not need to be on this. We're actually just checking the continuity of that switch. Pull this bike up. I'm going to raise this kickstand up. The switch is good. And the sound off. Lower it. So the kickstand switch is good. Now we will check the neutral switch. Okay, I'm in neutral right now. So I'm going to turn this bike off. And that should be putting polarity through that deal. And that's why it's sounding off. Because that switch is a complete circuit right now and it's ready to start. It's closed the circuit. Let's see if I can get this off and show you. That would have been in neutral. I'm gonna barely pull it up or down, and that would turn it off. We go back and find neutral somewhere. Let's see something. Alright, I'm going to double check that neutral switch, but it seems like it should be okay.